Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Ruth Osifotv TV channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and coupling my Decathlon Domios MS500. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. Remember, when you receive a box or a package, check that there's no damage or that everything is intact, and make sure you check it immediately so that you know if you have to return it or not. So if you have to return it, you return it immediately. That is it. So let's I've checked mine, they are all intact, has to be opened. So let's open it. Inside is a manual, came with it. So with the manual, you'll be able to know what is supposed to be inside. Yes, always check with your manual. That is it. Then also came with a string, with a pair of string. That is it. And also came with two stabilizer. These are I'll be telling us the function of the stabilizer later in the video. Then the next thing inside is the gadget itself, which is this. This is it. You can see it has a monitor and this. It's got the stepper. The reason why I got this stepper is that it can move from side to side. When I'm using it, I'll do a video with it. That's why you should subscribe, so when I do the video, you'll be the first to be notified, and hit the notification button also to be notified when I do the video, because I'll be using it and I'll record it. There's a monitor also that calculates the time, the number of steps you have made, and there's a scan with it also. So it's a very good one. Let's go on with recoupling. So yeah, you can see this for the string. For the string here, you just open it with anti-clockwise. You open it anti-clockwise and fit it inside this hole. Just put it in and lock it back with a clockwise movement. That is it. And make sure it is well fitted. If not, when you are pulling, you are using it, you might fall off, which will not be good enough. So the same goes here. You open it anti-clockwise and put it in the hole and close it back with a clockwise movement. Always remember, well fitted. So that is it. Behind it, that's for the string. Here behind it, there's a place for the stabilizer. This stabilizer is very important. It's for the good grip of your carpet or your floor, so as to prevent any damage to your floor. This is it. Just put it in. To put it in, you just press this black button. There's a hole here, because this black button is going to be fitting in to that black hole with a click sound. That is it. Same goes with the other side. Just push it in. Yes, that is it. Push it in with the click sound. So with a firm grip on your carpet, because you might be moving it. See, it's very portable, so it can be moved. It's not very heavy. You can move it from one part of your house to the other, or from when you're traveling, you can put it in your car, but it's very small. The reason why I got it is that sometimes the weather is not too good for workout or for walking outside, and as a mother too, I can't just leave my kids. So when I'm in the sitting room watching TV or helping them with their homework, or I can even move it to the playroom, or then the playroom, so I can be doing my exercise, which is very good. It's a good one because it's good for your cardio, for your tricep, for your bicep, for your posture generally. So it's a good one for activity, for you to move, for movement. So it's very good. There are other type too that goes up and down. I got this too because it goes from side to side. So that's about my coupling, my unboxing and coupling of my MS 500 stepper. It's called the stepper. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe again if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. See you at the top.